Feeling stuck in your muscle-building journey? Tired of grinding away at the gym without seeing the gains you crave? Imagine transforming your body faster than you ever thought possible, just by tweaking your diet. Hang tight because we're about to reveal the secret weapons hiding in your kitchen. Here are 10 powerful foods that can supercharge your fitness game. And they're not what you might expect. First up, eggs, nature's muscle-building miracle. Packed with protein and essential amino acids, eggs are like tiny powerhouses for your muscles. Whether scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, they're versatile and delicious. Next, we have chicken breast. This lean, mean muscle-building machine is a staple for a reason. Low in fat and high in protein, it's perfect for bulking up without the extra calories. Don't forget about quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. Plus, it's gluten-free and loaded with fiber, keeping you full and energized. Then there's Greek yogurt. Not only is it creamy and tasty, but it's also packed with protein and probiotics. Perfect for a post-workout snack that helps your muscles recover and grow while keeping your gut health in check. Let's talk about almonds. These crunchy delights are rich in protein, healthy fats, and magnesium, a mineral, crucial for muscle function and energy production. They're the perfect snack to fuel your fitness journey. Ready for more muscle-building magic? Let's dive into 5 additional foods that can turbocharge your fitness journey. Next on the list, salmon. This tasty fish is packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in a salad. Your muscles will thank you. Next, we have sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are not only delicious but also a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates and vitamins. They provide the sustained energy you need to power through intense workouts and recover afterward. Moving on to spinach, Popeye's favorite for a reason. This leafy green is rich in iron, calcium, and nitrates, all of which support muscle function and endurance. Throw it in a smoothie, sauté it, or use it as a salad base for a nutrient boost. Up next, cottage cheese. This underrated dairy product is a muscle-building superstar, loaded with casein protein which digests slowly and feeds your muscles throughout the night. It's perfect for a bedtime snack that supports overnight recovery. And don't forget about lean beef. Packed with protein, iron, and creatine, lean beef is a powerhouse for muscle growth and repair. Whether it's a steak, burger, or stir-fry, it's a tasty way to meet your protein needs. So there you have it, 10 powerhouse foods to take your muscle-building efforts to the next level. Your kitchen just became your new gym buddy. Try incorporating these foods into your diet and witness the transformation. Ready to fuel your gains and maximize your workouts? Start today and see the difference.